Today we will discuss about the second sessional examination and paper is the zoology. Zoology 2.2, that is the genetics. So first question is that the tendency of an offspring to resemble its parents are known as, and the right answer is the B option, that is the heredity, because in the heredity the transfer of the character from the parents to the offspring, right? So the offspring resemble its parent. So right answer is the option number B. Second question is the crossing of the F1 to either of the parents are known as, and the right answer is the back cross. That is the option number B. Because in the test cross, the F1 is crossed with only of the recessive parents. So right answer is the back cross. That is the option number 2. Next question is the homozygosity and the heterozygosity of an individual can be determined by the test cross, right? We know very well with the help of the test cross, we determine the parents become the homozygous or the heterozygous. So right answer is the option number A. Next question is an exception to the Mandela. So right answer is the B, that is the linkage, because linkage is discovered by the Morgan in the Drosophila, right? So right answer is the option number B. Next question. Is the hemophilia. Hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disorder because in the hemophilia, the gene present only on the X chromosome, and this is the X-linked recessive disorder, not the X-linked dominant. Right. Next question is the 9:7. So the 9:7 in the F2 generation represent the complementary gene interaction. Right. Next question, that is the 7th question. If a plant with the genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, is the self-fertilized, the probability of the getting capital A, capital A, capital B genotype. Right. But condition is the capital A and the capital B are not linked. So when we talk about the dihybrid cross, in the dihybrid cross, the F1 progeny is the capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, right? So this is also the example of the dihybrid cross in which the capital A, capital B is only of the one, that, and the total probability of the offspring, that is the 16. So right answer is the D option, that is the 1/16. So right answer is the D. Next question. Question number 8 is how many phenotype can occur in the human blood group, that is the ABO. So you know very well, in the ABO blood group, male is the 4th type of the phenotype, and 4th type of the phenotype is the A blood group, B, AB and O, right? So there are mainly यहाँ पे 4 blood group are the present. Next question is the question number 9. The geometrical device that help to find out all the possibility combinations of the male and the female gamete are known as, so right answer is the Punnett scale, because with the help of the Punnett scale we can determine the all the possible combinations, right? So right answer is the C option. Next question is which term represent a pair of the contrasting character? So right answer is the option number D, that is the allelomorph. Next question is who discovered XY sex chromosome? So right answer is the option number B, that is the Natil Stevens. Right. Next is the a fetus determination of the gender is dependent on. So right answer is the sperm nature, because on the sperm X and the Y chromosome are present, but in the egg only the XX chromosome present. So mainly depend on the sperm. If the X chromosome present on the sperm, that is the female child will be the developed, and if the Y chromosome present in the sperm, so the male child will be the developed, right? So next question is the number of the Barr body in a female with the XX chromosome. So the number of the Barr body is determined by an hypothesis, that is the Lyon hypothesis. That Barr body means inactive of an X chromosome. Right. So total number of the X chromosome, that is the 4. That is 4 minus 1. So right answer is the 3. That is B option is the right. The number of the Barr body. Next question is the theory of the linkage was put forward by the. So the theory of the linkage was given by the Morgan in the Drosophila I color mainly. So the right answer is the D option. Next is the a hemophilic man marries a normal heterozygous woman. What are the chances that the son will be the homophilic? So right answer is the D option, that is the no, that is a 0%. So we determine this a hemophilic man, and hemophilia is the X-linked recessive disorder. So man is the XY, right? But on the X chromosome is the recessive gene, that is the small c, right? And in the female, that is the normal XX, and this is the normal. That so when we cross X and the offspring is the this, right? And second is the same, that is the XX, and on the X chromosome small c are present, which represent the hemophilic gene. And third progeny is the XY, that is the normal son. And fourth is also the same, that is the XY, means normal son. But in the question, what are the chances that the son will be the hemophilic? But in this case, the son will be the normal. So the percentage of the son, that is the 0%, will be the hemophilic, right? So right answer is the option number D. Next question: a color-blind man marries a woman who is a carrier of the trait. It is expected that. So color-blind, also an X-linked recessive disorder, and the right answer is the option number D. Means some son and the some daughter are the colorblind. So next question is the color blindness is a disorder of the X-linked recessive. Right answer is the B option. Next is the Drosophila. In the Drosophila, the sex is determined by. So remember, in the Drosophila, XY sex determinations, but the Y chromosome not determine the sex of an organism. And in this case, the ratio of an X chromosome to the autosome represent the sex of an offspring. It may be the male or the female. Right? So Y chromosome mainly for the fertility, right? Not for the determinations of the sex. So right answer is the B option. Next is the unfertilized egg of woman contains only a single X chromosome, right? So right answer is the option number C. Right answer is the C option. Next is the arrangement of the sex chromosome in the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is the chromosomal abnormalities, and this syndrome is due to the trisomy on the sex chromosome, in which the arrangement of the sex chromosome is the XXY, right? So right answer is the option number B. Question number 21. The ABO blood group is not an example of. So right answer is the C option, because ABO blood group is also an example of the codominance and the multiple allele. So right answer is the option number C. Next is the phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is a metabolic error disorder, right, in which the phenylalanine is converted into the tyrosine amino acid, right? phenylalanine is converted into the tyrosine amino acid in the presence of an enzyme that is the phenylalanine hydroxylase. But due to absence of this enzyme, the phenylalanine is not converted into the tyrosine, resulting phenylalanine amount is the increase in the patient. Right? And these disorders are known as the phenylketonuria. So in the question, the phenylketonuria is a genetic disorder caused by a defect in the metabolism of amino acids. So that answer is the A option, that is the amino acid. Next is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is due to the trisomy, right? So in the question, the Down syndrome is associated with the trisomy of the chromosome number is the 21. So that answer is the B. The eye color of the Drosophila is an X-linked disorder. You know very well, right? So answer is the C option. Next question is the 25. Name the phenomena where two genes have the same expression of the character. And these phenomena are known as the pleiotropy effect, where the two genes express only a single character, right? So right answer is the A option. Next is the question number 26. The pattern of the sex determination in the birds. In the birds is the ZW, ZZ type. Next is, if there are the 4 allele of a gene, then what will be the number of the genotype? So the number of the genotype is determined by a formula, and these formula are the n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So with the help of this formula, we determine the genotype, and also with the help of the sum of the integers also determine the number of the genotype. So in this question, the number of the allele is the 4, right? So the number of the allele is 4. So sum of the integer is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4. Right? That is the sum of the integer formula. So the right answer is the 10. Right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So right answer is the B option. And with the help of this formula, also the right answer is the 10. Next question is the 28. The gene for eye color in the Drosophila is controlled by the 15 alleles. So find the number of the genotype, same formula, that is the sum of the integer and the n plus 1 divided by 2. So right answer is the B option, that is the 120, right? After the calculations. Next is the link gene, shows in which the gene are linked together. That is no recombinations, no crossing over. Always parental combinations are the resulted, right? So right answer is the A option, that is the parental combinations in the offspring. That is the offspring resemble the parents. Next question is the find out the number of the gametes in capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, and capital D, capital D. So the number of the gametes is calculated by a simple formula, that is 2 ki power n, right? 2 ki power n. And n is the number of the heterozygous. So in this case, the number of the heterozygous is 3. Number of the heterozygous is 1, 2, and 3. That is 2 ki power 3. So right answer is the 8. C option. Right? Next question is the question number 31. The ratio of an dihybrid cross. And the ratio of the dihybrid cross and male is the test cross. So in the test cross, the 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? This is the right answer. So the right answer is the option number B. 1 ratio, 1 ratio, 1 ratio 1. But in the monohybrid test cross, it will be the 1 ratio 1. Next is the a gentleman with the blood group A married with a lady of the blood group B. What can be the percentage of the AB blood group in the progeny? So we can calculate it with the help of an cross. Man is the A blood group, and in this question not given male is the heterozygous or the homozygous, so we always take and the homozygous condition, right? So this is the IA male, and female is the IB. So when we cross, all the offspring will be the ABO blood group. First is the gametes, and gametes is the IA, and in this the gametes is the IB. And when we cross, the offspring become the AB, right? So right answer is the 100% because all the offspring contain the ABO blood group. So right answer is the A option, that is the AB blood group. Next is the if a number of the progeny in the F2 generation is the 64, find the number of the phenotype. So in this question we calculate the number of the phenotype by a formula, that is the 2n plus 1, right? And this formula is for the phenotype. But before the phenotype, we will also discuss about the genes. So genes are calculated by an formula, that is the total number of the generation is equal to the 1 by 40 power n. So this is the total number of the generation, 64. 1 by 64 is equal to the 1 for n. That now n is the number of the gene. So n is the 3. When the n is 3, then it become equal to the total number of the offspring, that is the 64. That so total number of the gene is the 3. And when we calculate the number of the phenotype with the help of an formula, that is 2n plus 1. So n is the 3, that is 2 into 3 plus 1, right? So total number of the phenotype is the 7. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, that is the 7. So right answer is the B option. Next is the baldness. Baldness in the man is an example of, so right answer is the A option, that is the sex influence inheritance, in which the genes are present in both the sex, that is the male and the female, but only dominant gene express itself, right? And this is the example of the sex influence inheritance. Next is if a hybrid express a character, it is called are known as the codominance. In the codominance, both dominant as well as the recessive, that is both express itself. So this is the example of the codominance. Next is a plant having the genotype capital A, capital B, small b, and capital C will produce kind of the gametes. So gametes are calculated by the same formula, that is 2 की power n, and n is the number of the heterozygous, and in this case number of the heterozygous only is the 1. So 2 की power 1, that is the 2. Right answer is the D option. Next is question number 37. In most of the species, the mitochondrial DNA is passed from the, you know very well about this mother. That because this is an example of the non-nuclear inheritance or the extranuclear inheritance, in which the DNA is present in the cytoplasm or any cell organelles, and from the mother, this DNA is transferred to the offspring, right? So this is an example of the mitochondrial DNA inheritance or the extranuclear inheritance. And this is the maternal inheritance, in which the mother DNA is the transferred to the offspring. While in the Mendelian inheritance or the nuclear inheritance, both parents are the contributed for the transport of the DNA to the offspring. Next is the kappa particle. Kappa particle is an example of the cytoplasmic inheritance, right, in which the gene are present in the cytoplasm. Next question is the F2 phenotypic ratio of an Mendelian dihybrid cross. So in the Mendelian dihybrid cross, the F2 generation is the 9:3:3:1, right? Next is the third law of the heredity is the law of the segregation. Law of the segregation, also known as the Mendel first law, in which the gametes always the pure, that is the contrasting factor, are the separated during the gamete formation. So gametes are always pure. So this is the example of the third law of the heredity and the Mendel first law.